How companies can embrace the use of artificial intelligence to boost profits and create greater value for their customers. AI is one of the most exciting and fast-paced technologies out there right now. The benefits it brings to businesses are obvious, but this technology requires more than just adoption. AI requires companies to think differently about how they operate and how they can create greater value for their customers. Define your business goals. Before companies adopt AI, they must define their business goals. This will help ensure that you are making progress toward the desired outcomes of AI adoption. It also allows for a more accurate assessment of any potential successes or failures after implementation. Additionally, setting goals can help provide focus and direction throughout the process by creating milestones to measure progress against. These should be specific, achievable goals that can be used as a guide when planning which technologies or applications should be adopted to reach those objectives. Commit to investing in AI technology and talent. If you want to reap the benefits of AI, you need to be willing to invest in it. AI technology has had a reputation for being prohibitively expensive, but that's rapidly changing. Whether you use AI for marketing automation, customer service, or something else, you need to start thinking about the costs associated with implementing AI technology. Unlike a marketing campaign or product launch, AI adoption is a long-term investment that will likely span the lifetime of your company. In addition to the financial investments, it's also essential to invest in hiring the right people and forming a team dedicated specifically to AI. It's not enough just to purchase technology. You need people who know how to use it effectively and strategically. Streamline business processes with AI. If your company relies heavily on manual data entry or redundant processes, AI can streamline your processes. When you use AI to automate various business processes, you can boost productivity. AI can help you optimize your workflow, find gaps in your business processes, and more. If your business is customer-facing, you can use AI to help collect data that is missing from your existing datasets. When you automate manual processes with AI, you're ensuring that your data is accurate and consistent. Automating processes with AI can help you save time and money in the long run and improve customer satisfaction. When done correctly, streamlining business processes with AI can be a great way to reduce costs and increase customer satisfaction. Leverage AI for lead generation and hiring. If your business is primarily marketing-driven, you can use AI to boost lead generation. AI is a great tool for gathering data and drawing insights from large datasets to understand customer behavior better. AI can help marketers segment their audiences and identify actionable insights that can be used to improve their campaigns. AI can be used to improve lead generation and hiring in many ways. First, AI-driven marketing strategies can be used to target the right customers more effectively by leveraging data collected from customer surveys, website visits, and other sources. This data can then be analyzed to uncover trends or patterns that could inform a more targeted approach. Use AI to increase customer engagement. If your business focuses on delivering personalized experiences to each customer, you can use AI to boost engagement. Many customer-facing businesses can benefit from using AI to analyze their customer data and provide more personalized experiences. When you use AI to analyze your existing customer data, you can identify trends and patterns in your customers' behavior. AI can be used to analyze customer data, such as browsing habits, purchase history, and reviews, which can then help inform the most relevant content or offers for each customer. Finally, AI-driven automation tools can also be used to create targeted campaigns based on individual customer preferences so that businesses can better reach out at the right time with the right message. By leveraging AI in this way, businesses will be able to deliver unparalleled customer engagement, which can result in increased sales and greater loyalty. As you can see, AI adoption can bring a lot of benefits to your company. You can use AI to automate some of your business processes or use it to analyze data to create more personalized experiences for your customers. When you're ready to implement AI, you can implement it in a number of different ways.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.